As of the May 2025 Power BI update, the new list slicer just became the most powerful way to filter data in the program. And today, we're going to be breaking it. So here's the way the new slicer works. You can copy data, you can go to the new list slicer, you can go right here to the three dots, you can hit paste, and it'll filter down to just those values that you pasted in. Now, this is incredibly useful and honestly is a feature that I've had to go to third party visuals in order to implement into my own Power BI reports. But nowhere in the documentation did Microsoft say what the limit of rows was that you can actually paste into the report. So I've devised this PBIX file as a little bit of a test. We're going to start by first pasting in 100 values, then 1,000 values, and then finally 10,000 values to find out just what the limits are of the new slicer. So here's the setup. I created an Excel file with the numbers 1 to 10,000. As you can see, there's 10,000 rows. I then went into Power Query. I then went over here and I imported it in as text. So I now have a Excel sheet imported into my Microsoft Power BI that has 10,000 rows. I then loaded this into a table and into the new list slicer, and finally created a new measure called count of values. So that way, when we look at the new total row, we can see how many of the values actually came through on the filter. So now we can paste data from our Excel sheet into our Power BI filter and find out just how many rows this new list slicer can take. Starting off then, here you can see we have no filters applied and we have 10,000 rows. Let's go into our Excel file and let's copy in 100 values. So here we are. I just hit copy. We're going to go right here to paste and we're going to paste that in. As you can see, the new slicer handled that with grace. Now let's move on to 1000. So I'm going to clear the slicer out again. I'm going to go here to A1000 and I'm going to go up, copy, and then I'm going to paste in my 1000 rows. As you can see, again, the new slicer handled this excellently. All right. And now for our final test, we are going to try to copy in 10,000 unique values and see if the slicer can handle it. And there we are, 10,000 rows. Let's paste. And what do you know? It looks like the new slicer can only take an input of 2,000 rows worth of data. Now, I am a little disappointed that they're not going to let me paste in the million plus rows that an Excel worksheet can handle directly into Microsoft Power BI, but I guess beggars can't be choosers. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing. And with that, thank you for watching.